My coach, this is my coach, Al Frost. He teach me to play golf. First time he teach me. He be long time ago. Now he still play with me. He still teach me again. That's a good guy, beautiful, good guy, good heart. God bless you. Thank you.
Amen.
Yeah, we come play today. We gotta start right now to tee off. Yeah. He gotta tee off right now. You watch it. He beautiful. Yeah. Woo. Good drive. Good drive. Beautiful down there. In the middle down there. Good shot. Good shot. Big L. Beautiful. You can see me now. I'm not good, but I want to play. So thank you. Thank you for watching.